Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to register for the AIB Mobile Banking. First, download and open the online banking user ID and follow the instruction. Then, go ahead and click Next. Use Allow while using app. Enter your email address and then you have to give it the permission. Then click Next. Then head over to your Gmail app. Wait for the code to arrive. Once your code arrives, go ahead and enter the code to confirm your identity. Once the verification is complete, your device will be registered and you'll be able to access to your accounts through the mobile banking app. That's how you register for the AIB mobile banking. Subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials.